A Flame in the Darkness, The Struggle of Imran Khan. In the vibrant yet tumultuous landscape of Pakistan's politics, Imran Khan emerged not just as a politician, but as a beacon of hope for millions. A former cricket star turned statesman,
इमरान अहमद खान न्याजी सद के दिल से हल्फ उठाता हूँ
Khan's journey was marked by a relentless pursuit of justice, accountability, and a vision of a new Pakistan. Khan's path was never easy. After years of advocating for change from outside the corridors of power,
क्या गवर्नमेंट की प्रायोरिटी होनी चाहिए 50 अरब की मेट्रो बनाना जिसकी पाकिस्तान को जरूरत है या नहीं
he finally became the Prime Minister, bringing with him the hopes and aspirations of a nation yearning for progress. Yet the journey from the cricket field to the prime ministerial office was just the beginning of his trials. In August 2023, Khan faced one of the darkest periods of his life. He found himself imprisoned under charges that many believed were baseless and politically motivated. These accusations ranged from corruption to inciting public unrest. Charges widely seen as an attempt to stifle his voice and dismantle his growing influence. As Khan continued his fight from behind bars, he became a symbol of hope and resistance against fascism and authoritarianism. His struggle was not just about his freedom, it was about the future of Pakistan and the ideals it stood for.
इंसाफ और खुदानी
His story serves as a powerful reminder that true leaders are not defined by the titles they hold, but by the battles they choose to fight, especially when the odds are stacked against them.